seats. The next part of the agenda is the roll call of the members.
Mr. Chair,
Any motion? Congressman Akop?
may I move that we dispense with the calling of the rolls? So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to dispense with the
Second.
calling of the roll. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. The next part of the agenda for today's committee hearing is the approval of the minutes of the meeting held last November 13, 2024. Is there any motion?
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Akop?
may I move that we dispense with the reading of the minutes of the meeting held on 13 November 2024 and consider it as approved. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to dispense with the reading of the minutes of the committee meeting held last November 13 and consider the approval of the same. Duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried. May we ask the committee secretariat to please acknowledge the presence of the honorable members as well as the presence of our resource persons for today's committee hearing before we proceed with the opening remarks of the chair. Comsec?
Thank you, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. For this public hearing, we have with us Representative Robert Ace S. Barbers, Senior Deputy Speaker Aurelio Dong Gonzalez Jr., Representative Dan S. Fernandez, Representative Joseph Stephen Caraps Paduano, Representative Bienvenido M. Abante Jr., Representative Romeo M. Acop, Deputy Speaker David J.J. S. Suarez, C. Suarez, Representative Gabriel Bordado Jr., Representative Percy Sendanya, Representative Franz Castro, Representative Honorable for our resource persons, we have with us from the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, Yusek Gilbert Cruz and Director Winnie Kidato. From the Bureau of Immigration, we have Attorney Vicente Uncad. From the Anti-Money Laundering Council, we have Attorney Adrian Arpon. From the Bureau of Customs, we have Mr. Camilo Cascolan. From the Land Registration Authority, we have Attorney Lana D. of Pampanga. From the Philippine Statistics Authority, we have Engineer Marisa Grande, the Assistant National Statistician. We also have Attorney Eliezer P. Ambatali from the PSA Legal Service, Attorney Ansari Kosain, and Attorney Joyce B. Buyungan. From the Department of Interior and Local Government, we have Assistant Secretary Romeo Binetes and the Assistant Secretary for Legal and Legislative Affairs. From the National Police Commission, we have the Vice Chairperson and the CEO, Attorney Ricardo P. Bernabe III. From the National Bureau of Investigation, we have Attorney Ross Jonathan Galicia and Attorney Ferdinand Lavin. From the Office of the Solicitor General, we have Assistant Solicitor General Hermes Ocampo and Attorney Miranda Torquisa. From the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, we have ASEC Renato Gomban and ASEC Renato Gomban, the Deputy Director General for Operations. And from the Philippine National Police, we have with us Police Brigadier General Mateo Bacay, Police Brigadier General Nicolas Torre III, Police Brigadier General Constancio T. Chinayog Jr., and Police General Anthony Aberin. From the Public Attorney's Office, we have Attorney Analiza M. Soriano, the Deputy Chief Public Attorney, Attorney Evelyn Revelin V. Ramos Dacpano, Attorney Rigel Salvador, Attorney Julius Cesar Valbuena, and Attorney Nazario C. Bancoro Jr. From the Dangerous Drugs Board, we have Mr. Michael P. Miatari, Ms. Corazon Mamigo, Mr. Bob Patrick Caniega, and Ms. Rebecca Arambulo. And we also have with us Police Colonel Francisco Ebrio from the PNP. We also have with us, Your Honors, Director General Wilkins Villanueva, the former PDEA Director General, and also former Director General of PDEA, Isidro La Peña, and the former Bureau of Customs Commissioner Nicanor Faildon. We also have with us Mr. Benny Antiporda and the former Mayor of Mexico Pampanga, Mr. Teddy Tumang, and Architect Alex Tumang. We have also the Barangay Chairman of San Lorenzo, Mexico Pampanga, Elmer Canda, and the Mayor of Mexico Pampanga, Honorable Rodencio Roding S. Gonzalez, the Vice Mayor of Mexico Pampanga, Vice Mayor Susana Siron, and the Punong Barangay of San Jose Malino, Mexico Pampanga, Engineer Ramonito Bautista. We also have with us Police General Bernardo Diaz, Police Superintendent Roberto Floro, Police Superintendent Roderick Condag, Police Superintendent Gil Levin. And I understand, Your Honors, that we have with us the representative of the Department of Justice, Attorney Wesley Young, and from the Department of Foreign Affairs, they are here. They sent their representatives. That's all for now, Your Honors. Thank you.
Thank you, Comsec. So we'll proceed to the opening remarks of the chair.